Okay, we will answer this one. Simplify the cube root of the quantity 3a squared b cube. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, so ang ibig sabihin itong cube root, we will multiply 3a squared b cube tatlong beses or 3 times. Okay, so 3a squared b cube, so multiply natin sa 3a squared b cube, so isa pa, 3a squared b cube. Okay? So, multiply natin itong numerical coefficient. 3 times 3, that is 9. Then, times 3, that is 27. Okay? Then, yung a, so kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the same base, we will add the exponent. So, kopyahan natin yung base na a, then add natin itong 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, 6 power. Then, yung b, i-add naman natin yung 3 at saka 3 or yung cube dyan. So that is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so ito yung final answer natin sa choices. Letter D is the correct answer.